Arrays. JavaScript offers multiple types of data structures, and one of them is arrays, my favorite. Arrays is a special variable that store more than one value. If La Cafe restaurant offers only one food item on its menu, we can use a variables to store it. But what if its menu offers multiple food items? In this scenario, we can use an array to store multiple items. For example, let's say La Cafe's menu offers burger, pizza, and tacos. And in this scenario, we can't put all these three food items in a variable. And for that reason, we can define an array with a label of menu and all the values, the food items separated by commas within square brackets to define an array. And now if we print menu, we can see all the three items being printed. So we are back again in our JavaScript playground. Now in our previous example, you may think that there are three food items in La Cafe restaurant's menu: burger, pizza, and tacos. Now you might think that we can use three variables to store those three food items, and why do we need an array? So let's do that. Let food item 1 equal to burger. Let food item 2 as pizza. Let food item 3 as tacos. Now if a user or if a customer wants the menu, you may think that you would print all the food items so that the customer can see the full menu, that is food item 2 and food item 3, and if we print it, the customer can see all the three items here. But what if the menu offers 5 food items or 10 food items or even 50? It will slowly become unmaintainable to store all these food items, and also it's not dynamic enough. And for that reason, we use array. So if we have an array to store all these food items, burger, pizza, and tacos, as you can see, we are just using one variable, that is an array variable, to store all these three items. And now if we run, you can see we are printing an array with the three food items. And now if the food menu gets more food items, let's say a soup as well, we are just using the same variable to store the fourth food item. And that's why arrays are such a unique variable to store multiple food items.